Hey guys, if you want to turn off the screen but keep audio on Sharp's EQ series running Android TV 11, there are two options. If you're in certain input like live TV or HDMI, then all you need to do is press menu button, go to power and select picture off. And then you can adjust audio without picture coming back on. If you press any button, like OK, you will see the picture again. That's scenario number one. Now in case of video on-demand apps like YouTube, if you press menu button, you will only get these two options, picture and sound, so you cannot access energy options. Here, the only option is to use Google Assistant, so voice commands. So I'll do it right now. Open settings. And then if I go to device preferences, I will have power and picture off. Continue playback. You see. Sometimes playback will continue automatically, but sometimes you need to open TV settings with your voice and then continue playback, again another voice command. So basically these are two options that you have if you want to turn off the screen but keep audio on. For example, if you have friends over and you don't want them to be distracted by the screen, or if you have small children in your household and you want to reduce screen time as much as possible, but at the same time you want to listen to some podcast, listen to music or whichever content, then this is the option. Guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you know some other trick how to do this, how to turn off the screen but keep audio on, let me know in the comment section. I would like to learn and to try that option as well. Thanks again for watching and wish you a nice day.